Are you okay? Can you say good morning to our friends? Isaac, Daddy's still sleeping.
No, Daddy morning.
Daddy morning. No, Daddy's still sleeping.
No.
Yes. Dodo's the sleeping little man. This is morning, friends. Eh? Oh, Isaac is heavy. Isaac's getting heavy. Isaac, Mama will just get your food, okay? Please wait here, okay?
Pasta corn.
Pasta and corn? Did you say you want pasta and corn?
Yeah.
Nah, later, okay, for dinner.
No.
But for breakfast,
No.
okay, we have to buy pasta, okay?
No.
Let's buy it tomorrow, okay?
No.
Hala.
Nobody no.
Why not?
Nobody see.
No buy tomorrow? Why?
Nobody see.
Buy today?
No. Nobody see.
Oy. Wala sa mood. Can you say good morning to our friends first? Morning, friends! Si Simon tulog pa. Okay, ready? Set. Come on, come on. Ba. Okay, come on. Ready? Okay, okay, okay. Oh.
Poo.
Poo?
Yeah.
Where? It's not Poo, Isaac. Come on, let's go. Let's go, please. Let's go down. Isaac, let's go down. Come on, let's go wake up Daddy. Okay? Careful.
Oh, nice pocket. Isaac has pocket.
Yeah.
Here.
Come on.
Isaac's
Socks, please. Socks on.
I get pocket.
Yeah, Isaac's okay. Just check po.
Baby.
Isaac is singing. Isaac is singing. Nice. Isaac is a singer. Come on, what's this? Isaac's ready for daycare. Can you say bye, friends?
Bye, friends.
See you later.
Just a minute ito, man.
Where's Mama's kiss?
Kiss Mama, Isaac.
Where's Mama's kiss? Yeah, bye, friends. Let's go.
Bye,
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
I'm gonna go to daycare.
Yeah.
Bye, bye. Go, go.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye to Susie.
Yeah, I love you, Isaac.
Move me,
I love you, Isaac.
Move me,
I love you,
Mommy.
Isaac. I love you, Isaac.
Hey, Mommy.
Aw, bye.
Bye.
Kiss, kiss, kiss. Mwah. Love you, bye.
Bye.
So, ang plan ko for today ay... Actually, may dentist ako. Check up once a year. Tapos, may meet ako na friend mamaya. So, si Keo, pumunta na ng school. Hindi na siya kumain ng breakfast kasi doon na daw siya kakain. Tapos si Simon, nandito sa office niya. Home office siya ngayon.
I haven't started yet.
Sabi niya, nagtatrabaho na daw siya. So, yun pala yung tinatrabaho niya. Gaming. Nah.
You just got me killed.
na ako sa dentist, guys. Grabe, uncomfortable. Yung, basta. Kung sa Bisaya, pangilo. Grabe, kangilo. Hindi ko alam kung anong word sa Tagalog. Ano sa Tagalog ang ngilo, guys? Ano yun? So, ang binayaran ko for 35 minutes na service is 700 crowns. Nasa 3,500 pesos yun. Ang oras ay 9:45. Tapos yung shopping mall na pupuntahan ko ay 10 pa magbubukas. Tapos yung friend ko na imi-meet ko today ay 11 pa siya pwede. So ang balak ko, tatambay muna sa shopping center or sa mall. Tapos we'll see what happens. Cute po. Ay, cute. Magkano kaya? 105 ang mahal? Let's go find the panglaba. Dito daming mga yan. Yan ay mask. Meron sila. Pero ang pinunta ko talaga dito ay yung sabon panglaba. Saan kaya yun? Kailangan ko pala ng Zalo. Panghugas plato. Cute. Hello Kitty. Ayan. Binibentang ano to sa Tagalog? Bagul. Pag sa Bisaya. Yun. Sa niyog. 19 kroner. Almost 100. Or lagpas 100 pesos. Pasalubong ko pang Simon. Ito, gustong-gusto niya to. Original. Teriyaki. Gusto kong bumili ng bulaklak kasi yung bulaklak ko na nasa living room tsaka doon sa table sa kitchen ay ano na siya, lantana. So, titingin tayo ng mura dito. Gaganda, diba? Pero yung bibilhin ko ay yung 2,460. Yung dalawa. Grabe ang mahal ng mga bilihin dito sa loob na to. Parang nakakatakot makabasag. Yan. Colorful na mga cups, oh. Yan. Diba ito yung kaldero ni Chris Aquino. Isang set nito, guys. Yan. Isang set niyan. Yan. Alam niyo magkano? Around 5,000. Oh my goodness. Mahal. Nakita ko kanina. Papakita ko sa inyo. Wow. Ganda. Hulaan niyo magkano? 37,400. Oh my God. Labas na ko, guys. Baka makabasag ako. My turn. Nagsushi ta. House. Asa man ani? Oh, 935 kani? Sushi for N. Okay. Kilit na sa kuan mami. Asa man imong gusto? Nice na dito. Asa ta kilit na sa window? Dirita? Okay. Sige. Hala, sige. Hala, bahin. Hala.
may daghan
Mm,
dagat ito.
may susu.
Kuan.
Seaweed na, di ba?
Yo.
Mm.
Pag nagkuha talaga ko sa Pinoy no.
Dala ka dire.
Oo.
Dala ka ginit tubig po. Tikasan ka ayo.
Feeling safe. Muna ingon ko share lang. Oh, gilabay.
Pakilid na. Ano na lang ako. Coffee time. Home na ko, guys. Yung nabili kong bulaklak kanina na tag 60 kroner yung isa. Dapat yung babayaran ko 120. Ayan. Ayan. Dapat 120 kasi tag 60. Pero dahil sa member ako, 60 na lang yung binayaran ko. 'Di ba? Nakatipid ng 60 kroner. Tapos yung pasalubong ko kay Simon, ito yung pasalubong ko sa kanya. Ibibigay ko ngayon. Tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging reaction niya. Tapos ito din. Gusto niya pang sabon sa ano niya sa katawan. Ito yung sinasabon niya.
Wow, thank you, Pa.
Welcome. Is Isaac happy? Meow. Mm. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. What did you say?
Only corn.
Only corn. You want to eat only corn. How about pasta?
No.
How about rice?
No.
How about soup?
No.
Only chicken and
Yeah.
corn.
Yeah.
Okay. High five, Mama. Yeah.
Water.
Isaac is home. Hi, friends.
Hi,
Isaac is
Mama.
home. So, ang lulutuin ko for dinner namin ay yung baw-baw. Tapos yung palaman. Ewan ko palaman, baw-baw. Tapos, lalagyan ko siya ng chicken, tapos vegetables. Yun lang. Hi, Nak.
No.
Keo is home. May volleyball siya today, so hindi siya kakain ng dinner. Buhayin ko lang siya maliliit. Ganyan, oh. Ganyan yung pagkahiwa. Ayan. Ito na siya. Tapos lalagyan ko siya ng salt. Tapos pepper. Paprika. Very simple lang, guys. Yan. Tapos egg. Tapos mix-mix lang. Yan lang. Yan. Tapos pepper. Flour pala to. Harina. Pepper. Salt. Paprika. lalagyan ko siya ng yan, crispy fry. Kunti lang. And then, mix lang. And then, ano ko lang siya dito. Yan. Yan. Yan, hanggang sa naging ganito. Yan. So, pang baw-baw pala, it takes 10 to 15 minutes. So, ilalagay ko na siya sa steamer. Tapos, 15 minutes. Yan. So, ito na yung mga vegetables na gagamitin ko. Yung salad. Crispy salad yata yung tawag dito. Nakalimutan ko. Tapos, carrots at saka red onion. Tapos, sweet chili sauce. So, ganyan. Pagkahiwa. Tapos, ang salad, ganyan lang ganyan. Tapos, red onion. Slice lang ng pahaba. Yung parang carrots. Kasi assemble natin ito mamaya pag luto na lahat. Yung ready ng mga ingredients. Oil.
Hindi na maluto na.
You okay? Isaac? Hoy, you okay?
Hi, Jack. You
You okay? Oy. Si Keyo, kinakain niya ngayon rice at saka paksiw. Corn? Okay. Can you say hello to our friends first?
Finally, then I can play volleyball again.
Bao is ready. Yeah. Assemble na natin yung yung bao. Yan. Salad. Tapos chicken. Yan. Okay, yun nakaabang na kasi paalis na siya. Tapos onion. Tapos sweet chili sauce.
Thank you.
This is for little man.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Huwag kayong mag-alala guys kasi naghugas ako ng kamay. Naghugas ako ng kamay kahapon. Yan. Chicken. Oh. Oh my God. Disaster! Natapon lahat ng sweet chili sauce dito. Ah! Oh. So, ito na siya.
Mommy.
Hi,
Ah,
good.
thank
There you
you,
go.
Bob.
You're
That's a lot.
welcome.
Wow, thank you. Looks
You're
really
welcome.
good. We
So, you have lots of kuan for your chicken wraps. Saan?
Mommy. Daddy.
Yeah.
There.
Wow, lots of corn.
Yeah.
Now you have to eat all of it.
Yeah. Ito siya. Yeah. How is it? Mmm. Mmm. Eat your chicken, okay? Mmm. Mmm. Good job. Where is mommy? Where is mommy? Isaac the cat, where are you?
Meow.
Are you a cat, little one?
Meow.
Meow meow.
Meow.
Meow meow meow. Oh, gago. Ah! Grabe ang lakas niya. Hi, friend. Hi, friend. Uy! How many cars do you have? Can you count? 1,
2,
3.
3, 4.
Wow! Good job! Okay, wait first. Oh no, where is Mama? Job hunting update pala. So, 3 days ago, tinawagan ako ng dati kong employer. Tapos, may inoffer sila na trabaho. So, yung contract is for 6 months muna. So, tinanggap ko na, guys. Yay! So, may work na ako. So, kahapon pumirma ako ng kontrata at magsisimula ako sa September 15 as support coordinator. So, yun yung maging trabaho ko. So, masaya ako dahil tinawagan nila ako ulit at tinanong kung gusto ko bang magtrabaho ulit doon. So, yun guys ang update. So, yun lang. Isaac's getting ready for bed. Can you say bye to our friends? We have to say bye to our friends.
Bye.
Wait, Isaac, where are you? Okay, come on, we have to say bye to our friends. Yeah! Hey, good night, friends. Good night, friends. Okay, bye, friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. What? Thank you for watching, friends.
Did you watch that?
Yeah.